Yeah, I got this model off the internet, and it's already rigged with bones in it, which is kind of cool, but it's not perfect. It's got some issues. Uh, but I thought this would be a great example to try to see if this is one of these cases where things um, have issues with the animation. So I'll just do like a little quick. Well, see, these bones ain't all connected, so that's an issue. But it'll give us an idea. So yeah, this is just what this will give us an idea if this works, right? Now, this was a Blender file. I want to say export. Let's do 80 frames. It'll be fine. That's all it needs. I'm not worrying about the texture and all that stuff. Uh, all these lights and all this stuff. I don't need any of that. Just the man, his animation, and his armature. I don't want to fool with the textures because there's probably so many of them that I just don't feel like getting into that with this video. Um, let's see how many has he got. Got a few different ones. Damn, there's a lot of maps. See, this is an issue. When you got all these damn maps that work to make texture in here, you know, they're not all going to the damn game. Just the base color map's pretty much the only thing going with it, and that's using a shader, so that's an issue. Which, what I would do then is just bake all those textures onto one damn duplicate mesh of the whole body, if it's possible. I mean, I know it's possible, I'm not sure that I can do it. But let's export him into the game as a DAE, and I can tell you now he's going to have a red no texture, because I ain't doing all that right now. Just want to check this animation. Let's see, levels, smoke, grid. Goodness, I can't quit yawning. Drink me a day. I need an IV of energy drink. What the hell? Install BeamNG. What in the world? No, I've never seen that before. Oh my goodness. You gotta remember to delete that shit out of there. Alright. Let's import that 5,000 foot man into here. Yeah, look at that. Taffy Syndrome, that's what I call it. Taffy Syndrome. That's some of the guns all screwed up. Mm-hmm. All messed up. This is a common problem, man. It looks fine in Blender. It don't look right in the game. Oh man, I can't quit yawning. You know what that means? It means I'm not interested in this subject. that it bores the tears out of me because it makes me think too much. Things I don't know, it makes me process. I have to think more. And it doesn't come natural. Focus doesn't. I have to put extra effort into it. It makes me sleepy. You ever got in an argument with your wife or ex or something and you argued so intensely that you became sleepy? That's the kind of sleepy that I call like narcolepsy sleepy. And that's what I feel when I try to do things that I don't fully understand. It makes me very sleepy, bored. And this is something that doesn't quite click for whatever reason. So, as I suggested in another video, we will set the origin to the 3D cursor and apply our transforms and see what that does. It screwed him up very bad. Yes, it did. It sent him all the way up to the top. And it messed him up a little bit. Yes, it did. It screwed him up a little. Yes, it did. It messed him up. It's not quite working the way he was, except he is in the air instead of on the ground. Shit. Oh, let's export his ass where he's at. I don't care. Alright. Well, I'll be damned. That fixed him now, huh? Yep. It fixed him. That's all it took. Just had to set that origin and apply all transforms. Now, that's not the case with every model. But for this one, this was the case. I'm happy to say. That was the issue with this. The origin. The origin was all messed up. It was not what it was supposed to be. No, it was not. My imitations are terrible today. I cannot imitate. Usually pretty good at doing voice imitations, but not today. Today, I do not have enough focus to imitate like I usually do. But, yeah, this is working.